So this is how you can get cards to automatically move on Trello. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Trello. Today you will learn how to automatically move your cards. Let's get ahead and start working on our new board. I'm just gonna go and type hello as the title of our new board. And now this is our board. I'm just gonna go ahead and make 3 separate lists so that you can see how to clearly move these cards. Okay, so I've set the example. Now let's go ahead and tap on the lightning icon that says automation and then go to rules. Now you're going to want to tap on create automation and then add a trigger. So this might get a bit complex. For example, there are lots of different types of movement, but I'm just going to show you the easiest one, which is card changes. Like for example, this one, when the green label is added to a card by me. So when I set a card to the green label, it's gonna do another action that we will set later. I'm just gonna put by anyone. You can also like change these when the green label is removed or when a new other label is added. But let's try this first. Tap on the plus button and then the action, because the first one is the trigger. So now we're gonna select an action. And the main point of the video is to move it. So move the card to the top of the list that is ongoing. Now let's go ahead and add that and save. So once you exit out and put this project 1 as a green label, it's going to automatically move to ongoing like it did right now. Now, if you want to add another, just go ahead and tap on automation once again, rules, and go ahead and add a new rule, create automation, add a trigger, card change. When the red label is added to a card by anyone, move the card to the top of the list, finished. So let's just save it and go back. So green means it's ongoing and red means it's finished. So let's go ahead and tap on red right now. And there we go. That is how you can automatically move cards in Trello. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.